We got lost, so it's a quick drive through Rose Belle. Check it out.
Driving through really rainy Rose Belle.
It is. It's supposed to be stormy. We're supposed to be doing a vlog here, but it seems like we're doing an inside the car rain vlog.
So this is Rose Belle.
Yeah, well, this is the back end of it because we came out of the market and couldn't go the way we wanted to go.
Because there was loads of traffic.
So we decided we're just going to go whichever way will let us go the fastest. So now we're on this road.
We don't know what it is.
We don't know where we're going, but it feels like the right direction. So hopefully this is okay.
I think so.
I think so as well. Well, you know, what can you do?
We're not getting wet.
We are not getting. That's the important bit. Well, this feels like the main road up ahead.
Yeah, I think so. Then you're going to turn left.
Oh, speed
Whoa,
bump.
bump.
That one came out of nowhere, guys. Not my fault. Okay, so this is. It doesn't look like a main road actually, but I'm going to turn left onto it anyway.
It's a main road. It's big enough for 2 cars.
And there's a traffic light not working here. Oh,
Wow.
This is Rose Belle. I recognize this. We once drove through it on my birthday last year.
Yeah.
But
Okay, people selling things on the side of the road despite the rain.
Yeah, so maybe it rains here a lot and people don't mind.
I think it does rain here a lot.
Yeah.
But I mean, blue skies up ahead.
I know, well, why is it so rainy when there's blue sky? I suppose that's the north.
Yeah.
Now there is a very important road we are supposed to take.
Yeah, like a diagonal one. Oh,
But-
look at all the pretty old buildings. Oh, wow, there was wooden building.
Ew. This is actually really nice.
It is. Oh, look, the rain is starting to ease a bit.
Yeah. I'll turn the windscreen wipers down a bit so you'll get more droplets. But
Oh,
then
and this is the Heritage Museum down there.
Really?
Yeah, we have to make a plan to come visit him sometime.
Oh,
This
that's
is now
the-
an actual museum.
Yeah, which is great
Now being
news.
supported. Oh, and look at this. There's a mosque.
They're
Wow.
just, it's like, well, we're all just looking around because we haven't been here before.
Yeah.
But it's like old and older, I suppose. I'm not seeing much of the new.
How pretty does the wet street look with the reflected blue sky?
Yeah.
It's really cool. There's a Super Cash shopping centre. And everybody returns to normal.
Yeah, just after the rain. Because it
Yeah.
obviously rains here a lot. We still don't know exactly which road we have to take. Oh, now we're in the chaos.
Tech Bistro. Yeah, now we're into some chaos.
Okay, so it's just
Sorry
like
for the
every other
rains.
Mauritian town. You just stop on the side of the road. Doesn't matter if it's a yellow line or not.
Susie's windscreen wipers are not altogether efficient.
No, they're quite bad in fact.
Okay, bicycle's going somewhere.
Maybe it's the diagonal road that we want.
It's quite cool.
Yeah, it is. And that's definitely a diagonal road.
Yeah.
That was
We're probably
probably...
supposed to turn down there. Look at all
Yeah,
these cool shops. Oh wow, this is nice.
it is. I actually wouldn't mind doing a little walking tour around here.
Yeah, no, I think we must definitely come and do a walking tour around here.
Yeah.
Close your eyes, guys. Don't look too closely. This
Don't
is going to walk
look too closely.
tour.
There's going to be a tour. I'm
Not sure
definitely...
what this means.
This means we can drive, but the guy
Oh,
obviously
okay.
doesn't know.
Go, little dude.
Susie, really.
Eco. Oh, and there's a total petrol
Loads.
station.
And there are 2 of them. We're just
Yeah,
driving
and
past
these
one.
are sides of the road, so they can catch you either way you're going.
Yeah.
Well, it looks quite nice. It's quite colourful and
It is. It's. I think it's because it's just rained. You've got that vibrancy about
yeah, new rain city smell.
Yeah.
Something like that. Wow,
New
look at
rain
this big
city.
place.
it. Yeah. Probably
New,
an old theatre.
new city rain smell. Old city rain smell.
Old city rain smell.
I don't know.
Yeah, I definitely think I can fit through there. I think these people just need to pull over a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I definitely. Oh, Wok and Grill.
Wow.
That looks like a nice place. Got an upstairs area.
G Tower and Happy Fried Chicken.
Huh?
And Galaxy, of course. Every town has to have a Galaxy. Oh, and a gift centre. Oh, that's quite nice. Huh. Surprisingly, you do see everyone walking around with umbrellas.
Yes, because it probably rains a lot. Ministry of Education. I think we have definitely passed our diagonal road.
The police station.
If we are the police station, that means we've definitely passed our road. We're going to have to turn around and go back. But in the meantime, we'll just
we'll take you through this little drive through Rose Hill. Rose Belle.
Rose
Damn it,
Belle.
Rose Belle. Stop. Pedestrians.
Right
We're
on
at
that.
SBM. Hope you guys are enjoying this.
Yeah.
Being dry. And there you go. You can apparently get a 500,000 rupee reimbursement on your home loan.
And we're off again.
Oh, this is a major place.
Oh, this is the shopping
Plaisance,
centre.
Plaisance shopping mall. Shopping village, they actually call it.
Wow. There's an old steel house. What is this place?
And there's a hospital down this road.
Oh, I think this is the old mall.
Yeah, this is the old. I think this is part of the sugar mill up ahead. This old building.
Okay.
Should probably turn down here.
Probably turn into this area.
Yeah, go for it. Let's take a random turn.
Yeah.
'Cause this is what we do. Oh, sorry, you guys are focusing on raindrops now. Oh, this is like a dream price and.
Amigo Grill.
Looks like it's seen better days.
It really does.
But this is where the old sugar mill used to be, right in front of us, I think.
Okay.
I don't think they've got a chimney anymore.
Doesn't look like it. You can't really drive
we
there.
can't get there. Huh.
Oh.
Oh well. That was fun.
Oh, look at the dodo.
Oh, we
Look
found a
at the
dodo. Hey, dodo.
That's an awesome looking dodo.
It is, it's nice.
That is really cool.
Got a great feather job. Paint job.
Good job.
Oh,
Okay,
you guys are not out the window.
Yeah. It's less rainy out there.
Oh, okay, well that was an interesting trip around the parking lot. But definitely, that is definitely old building-y stuff.
Yeah. Not quite
Bumps.
sure how old.
Well, I think they stopped in 2001 or something, so it did operate for a long time.
Okay.
And there's obviously the new shopping centre that they've built, Plaisance Shopping Village.
Plaisance Shopping Village. Mate, they got a manju.
Everywhere's got seems to have a manju these days.
Yeah, Ricky told me that they were very rare.
Yeah, I was reading things and people were like, oh no, there's not just one in Port Louis.
Well, apparently there's not just one in Port Louis, they're everywhere now.
Yeah.
Are you getting to see this the other way around? Because, well, we're still trying to find our diagonal street.
We'll find out Diagonal Street.
We will find it, don't you worry. We saw the bicycle guy go down it.
But I'm sure you're loving Rose Belle on a rainy day.
I'm sure you are. Even if the windscreen wipers are not cleaning the windscreen properly.
Okay, there you go, that's better.
One
Oh,
more.
there's a big colour chan.
Oh, that made it worse. Oh yeah, you can actually see more from this side. Mauritius housing. There is a lot of stuff here.
A lot. It's a big place. It's a lot bigger than I thought.
It really is.
It's like a really long village, but also, wow, those are
the raindrops.
skies.
Yeah.
But it's actually full of stuff.
Oh, sorry. You just got to be. It is. It's like a proper. I'm gonna say it's like Montagne Blanche,
It's really packed.
where
It's
you've
quite
got
long.
loads of stuff all over the streets
And loads of people.
and just too many people.
Like, so many people out shopping.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, we'll just follow them. They like
Yeah.
if they start heading for cover, we will head for cover.
I think it'll be okay. I think it's okay.
You think so? There's a big grey cloud above us though.
Yeah, but it's not bucketing on us, which is the good thing.
Yet.
Now we've got to somehow find this turning. Because Ricky's holding the map.
I'm holding the map, yes.
You guys are the map.
Ooh, Lucky Shopping Centre.
I wish I'd been paying more attention when I saw the motorbike guy turn.
Kasim Building.
Okay.
Oh, and a course. Oh, and it's furniture people. I
Big
missed the
TFP.
furniture people. Wow.
Okay, there's just chaos and people just walking all over the roads and everything.
Yeah, you go, dude. Don't worry about us. Yeah, I think it's this way.
Yeah, I'm definitely turning, yeah.
On to pineapples.
And
Hang on, guys. Turning into a diagonal road.
yeah, so hopefully this is the right one. So this is the back half of Rose Belle.
This is the old train line that we are driving down.
Really? The train actually drove along here?
Yeah. Choo choo. Wait, dude, wait.
Only one person at a time. This doesn't feel like a train line, Rick. Goes ups and downs.
Oh yeah, it is a train line.
Okay. Maybe now it's a train line because there's a nice flat area. Oh, look at this old steel building. Old buildings here, wood buildings.
Old buildings.
Really old area here. With some newy stuff.
Wow.
And we're really just going down the back alley because we were promised a train station.
I don't know if there's a train station. There's a place where the train station used to be,
Okay.
but I don't know if it's here anymore. So we've kind of reached the end of our road.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. Rose Belle. What do you know? No train station.
Unless we missed it, like we missed the courts and the
Yeah.
TFB and...
I think it was probably
Oh wow,
that
there's
building.
a river down here, obviously.
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh,
Interesting.
end of the line.
End of the line. Watch the rocks.
Well, that was kind of interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. See you again next time.